How to fix Instagram Reels not playing problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Additionally, you can also try enabling airplane mode for a few seconds and then disable it again, as doing this will refresh your network connection. See if that helps, and if not, then simply open Instagram and then swipe up on the screen and force quit Instagram along with all the apps running in the background, as this will refresh the application. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app. Additionally, open Settings and then tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, go ahead and navigate to Instagram and then tap on the Offload App option you see there. Offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. Once reinstalled, see if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then sometimes it simply could be that the Instagram's server is down. So you can check for Instagram server status, and if it is down, then you will have no other option but to simply wait for the server to be working just fine. Additionally, if you are using mobile data for your Instagram, then open Settings and then tap on Cellular. Here, make sure that you have not enabled low data users option there, and if yes, then simply go ahead and disable the low data users option. To do that, tap on Cellular Data Options and then toggle off the toggle button for low data mode. See if that helps, and if not, then tap on General and then on Background App Refresh. Here, go ahead and tap on the Background App Refresh option you see there and make sure Wi-Fi and cellular data is selected, and if not, then select Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, if you do not have enough storage space on your iPhone, then low storage can stop videos from buffering. So go ahead and open General and then tap on iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage space, and if not, then you can simply clear the cache in your iPhone and also delete apps and photos and data that are no longer in use. Lastly, you can simply try to log yourself out and log back in for a fresh restart. So open Instagram and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for log out. So log yourself out and then log back in, and this might help you in fixing your issue. If not, then simply tap hold on the Instagram application and you will see the option for remove app. Remove the app and then reinstall the app again from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram Reels not playing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.